Dito pala kami sa Naples, Italy. Pupunta kami sa Pompeii. Meron kaming crew tour doon. Dito kami ngayon sa Pompeii. Kumukuha lang kami ng aming earpiece.
Thank God, it's one way off.
Alam niyo bang dalawang klase pala ang gladiator? Yung isa, pinili maging gladiator dahil sa pagkakautang at yung isa naman ay binihag mula sa malayong lugar.
Theater.
Ito naman ang teatro, pwede siyang mag-accommodate ng 5,000 people. Yung pinapalabas dito noon ay mga comedies and tragedies ng Greek and Roman traditions. Itong inuupuan ko, ito lang yung original seat na na-retain. Dito yung residential at business area. Kung papasyal ka dito, dapat nakasuot ka ng comfortable but sturdy shoes dahil mabato halos lahat ng kalsada. May mga parts na may elevated stepping stones na ginawa dahil maputik kapag umuulan. Yung iba naman masisikip na pang one-way lang talaga.
And now the entertainment department.
Oh, entertainment.
But a specific and particular type of entertainment. They were just coming by sailing, and this sailing could be incredibly long. So after having sailed for such a longer time, well, they were actually needing a little bit of joy of life.
Ito naman ang bayaliwan, kita naman sa carving na yan. Ang Latin word pala ng brothel is lupanar, meaning wolf den. Yung prostitutes naman ay tinatawag na lupa or she-wolf. So, nung unang panahon, pag pumapasok ka dito, para kang pumapasok sa den of she-wolves. 2 floors ang brothel na ito. Second floor daw nakatira ang mga prostitutes. At sa first floor naman, may 5 rooms na ang built-in bed at unan ay rough cement. Ayan yung mga erotic paintings.
You ruined design.
Hey! The original one, and of course it was just that, marble was also along the vertical wall.
Dito naman ang the forum. Dito matatagpuan ang Temple of Venus, Temple of Apollo, and Temple of Jupiter. Kita din sa background ang Mount Vesuvius.
That we have around this property.
The lady
Alam niyo bang nung unang panahon, yung ancient Romans daw, sobrang malilinis sa katawan. Halos araw-araw naliligo at yung mga lalaki laging bagong ahit. Tong lugar na ito divided into male and female sections. May room for warm bath, hot bath, and cold bath. Parang ganun daw ang sequence ng paliligo noon. So apparently this used to be the thermal bath. Apollo is one of the few gods na hindi nabago ang pangalan between the Greek and Romans. Kasi tulad ni Zeus, naging Jupiter, si Hera, naging Juno, at iba pa.
Let's remind 24th of August, morning time, 24th October, morning time, year 79 after Christ, that means 46 years after the death of Jesus, it is when the eruption struck. We have said already before that maybe the 0.5% of the population was killed by the fumes, and when they died, all of the ash, the dust, and the foams that rained for roughly 3 days somehow had buried.
Around 2,000 people daw ang namatay nung pumutok ang bulkan. More than 100 daw ang nagawan ng cast in 1800, pero maraming nasira after the bombings in 1943. Nung unang punta ko dito back in 2018, DIY lang kami noon. Maraming cast at pottery noon, pero nawala this time. Dinala daw siya sa ibang lugar for restoration or maintenance. Sabi ibabalik siya around June 2023. Ba talaga yung may kasama ka na guide dahil syempre nalalaman mo yung about sa history at saka kung ano yung nakikita nyo. Na-enjoy ko ang tour na to, marami akong natutunan and I hope na-enjoy nyo din. May mga souvenir shops din pala sa labas para sa mga gustong mamili. Syempre bago umalis.